LZMH stock analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1-minute video, I'm telling you whether LZ Technology Holdings Limited stock is a buy or not for me. Now, having done well over 37,000 videos and having invested 5 figures in education, I know what's making me money and what's not. And I've obviously tested it and I have proof to back it up. With LZMH, we don't have that much data. We only have like 3 weekly candles. It's enough to work with, right? From a day/swing trade perspective, solid demand zone here, I must say. I mean, 50% down is absolutely crazy. But I mean, I've seen it before. Nothing is also like gonna stop me from buying even more if there's like a double break here. So, I'll continue to keep you updated. But yeah, that's how LZMH looks like. And if it doesn't give me the double break, then I'm just not gonna look to take things up. That's how it looks like for me. It's obviously not financial advice, and all I will keep doing in the meantime is I'll keep waiting. So let me know what is your opinion, and if you want to make more money in a simple way in just weeks, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.